Hi, everybody. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Char. I'm a wellness advocate, and I am so glad to be here with you guys today during this oil camp week. We've learned so much about frankincense, lavender, lemon, and tea tree, and all the amazing properties that help with our health, skin, emotions. And so what I'm going to teach you guys today is a recipe that's called the Owie spray. And I have my daughter who's 13. Her name's Passion, and she's here to help to demonstrate how you can make this at home with your kids. And so I am a mom of 9. And so in my household, it gets kind of crazy and chaotic. And there's lots of injuries. So we have injuries that have to deal with, burns or skidded knees, or if they get into a fight, there's scratches. They give each other scratches and their own injuries. And so I really love this recipe for these reasons. So before I get into that, this is the recipe. You're going to get a 2-ounce spray bottle, preferably glass. It will last longer and it won't break down the plastic. These are a little bigger, but this is just kind of give you an option of what you can use. So the recipe calls for a 2-ounce spray bottle. You want it to be a spray bottle. And then we're going to be using lavender, tea tree, and frankincense. So those 3 ones. And for all you guys that have learned of all the amazing benefits that it can give to you, you'll know why it's in this Owie spray. Anyways, and so the rest, so there's 15 drops of each of these 3 oils in a spray bottle, and then you fill the rest of it up with fractionated coconut oil. So Pasha, she's going to help us to just kind of demonstrate to you how it is done. So first of all, we're going to use frankincense, and it's 15 drops of frankincense. And so we all know from what we've been learning about this week, frankincense is amazing for inflammation. So what the body does is that it has its natural defense mechanism to send white blood cells to your injury. And so your body will naturally get inflamed, right? So frankincense is awesome for inflammation. And the other awesome thing that it does is it controls the bleeding. So when my kid comes in with its skidded knee from a bike, I know immediately that frankincense will help control the bleeding. And it also is awesome for speeding up the healing process. So frankincense is a must-have as a first aid item in your household. So it's awesome to have this into our spray bottle. Okay, now Passion, we're gonna use lavender, 15 drops of lavender. And we all learned that lavender is amazing for the skin. We also know that it's good for relaxation. But as a first aid, lavender is great for pain. So when you get a burn, your child burns itself, lavender, you go right to it and you instantly feel a relief in pain. So that is awesome that it's great for that. It's also good for cuts. It's good for bruises. It's good for bug bites, springs. It is awesome for all kinds of injuries that will be in your household. All right, so next we're going to add tea tree. We're going to add 15 drops of tea tree. And tea tree is amazing. It is a powerful oil that's an antiseptic, antifungal, and antimicrobial. And so with this, it helps fight infection, and it's amazing for cleaning our wounds. And so it's a cleaning ointment, an agent. And so that is another important oil to add to our Owie spray. So with all of these 3 together, you shake it up, you add the rest with fractionated coconut oil, you top it off with that, shake it up real good, and when you apply it each time, you want to kind of shake it to kind of mix everything up. You can put the cap on and it's ready to go. So with this, it's so easy and convenient. You can put it in your purse. You can take it when you go to a sports event with your kids. They get hurt there. You got extra kids with you, right? They're going to the park. They could get hurt. So you have this handy, you stick it in your purse for any occasion. Take it camping with you. instant. You know that it's going to help with reducing the bleeding, if someone is bleeding really bad, for pain, inflammation, and you got that antiseptic to know that you won't have any infection to kill all the bacteria that is around the wounds. And so I am excited about this Owie spray to use on all of my kids in any event that we go to. So happy mixing of your Owie spray, and it can be placed right into your medicine cabinet, your oil cabinet, for any injury, and it's safe for the kids to grab and use it on their own because it's safe. So anyways, thanks guys. Bye-bye.